आपका दिल कभी टूटा है
बहुत, सबका दिल टूटता है,
रिलेशनशिप्स में?
बहुत, सबका दिल टूटता है
रिसेंटली भी?
अभी
Okay.
as I speak with you.
अभी मतलब कब?
It's going on since 7 months, 8
ओके,
months.
तो ब्रेकअप हुआ है?
Yeah, and everyone has to go through that process, I feel. आपको ज़रूरी है ये जानना कि शायद in order to be with the right one, you have to be with the wrong ones first. You need to know कि what works for you, what doesn't work. I don't want to get into a relationship और उसके बाद मुझे पता चले कि oh God, हमारे बीच में compatibility नहीं है.
आपको बहुत लगाव हुआ था उनसे?
हाँ, और वो भाग गए.
मतलब?
He ran away. He's like, you're too impulsive. I can't deal with this. You're an actress. I can't deal with this. But I understand where he's coming from.
Like?
A very orthodox background. And I don't blame him. I think it's his upbringing. In a way, it's good that the chapter ended. Because future mein, when we raise our kids, his upbringing would not be the same as my upbringing towards my kids. So the learning, my kids are going to be like, kya ho raha hai?
और आपको वो वैक्यूम फील होता है? वो
Of
void?
course, you always feel the void. But there's nothing you can do. Rather, I think it's time. It'll just heal.
तो अब आप रिलेशनशिप्स को कैसे देखते हो कि आप उन्हें आने देंगी अपने लाइफ में या
वो
उन्हें
मैं नहीं
चेज करेंगी?
सोचती. Exactly what I'm trying to tell you.
क्या?
I do not think about future.
ओके.
I think about today. अगर वो आए तो I will feel what I'm feeling at that particular moment.
तो आपके लिए आपका टिंडर बम्बल हिंज क्या है? कुछ
कुछ
नहीं.
नहीं.
तो आप बस यू वेटिंग फॉर लाइफ टू हैपन.
Yes.
ओके.
And I feel
मेरे वैसे काफी सारे इंजीनियरिंग फ्रेंड्स हैं. So I'm just
I
saying.
don't want to get again into, you know,
जो
that.
भी डेंटिस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं,
Yeah.
मेडिकल वाले फ्रेंड्स.
You know, for me, it doesn't matter what my partner does. लड़कियों के काफ़ी priorities होते हैं. Rich, handsome.
क्या है आपके प्रायोरिटीज?
अच्छा इंसान हो यार.
दैट्स इट.
That's it.
लड़कियां लुक्स नोटिस करती हैं?
हाँ.
आप लुक्स नोटिस करते हो?
नहीं.
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 बिल्कुल
None of
भी
my
नहीं.
boyfriends are like great good looking or whatever. They were good human.
Okay.
Like today, I think today I am where I am is because of my past 3 relationships.
क्योंकि आपका दिल टूटा है.
नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है.
Okay, fair. But okay, let's talk about your priorities in a
Yes.
relationship. I hear you कि आप एक साफ दिल को खोजती हैं.
You know, कहीं ना Ranveer, because I do so much to the guy, like in a relationship, be it even to my mother or my father or my cat or my ex-boyfriend. I have done so much. I go extra mile, small things, writing a handwritten note, no matter how tired or, you know, all these small things. And they उनको लगता है कि they're not able to match up to that.
Do you expect them to match?
No, but they need to know that I am not expecting that. They need to just take it. Because I gift someone essay on some achievement, I give them like be it flowers or be it if they say that, oh, this shoes are really nice, I make sure that I remember that. So for me, gifting presents is not like ye khareed dete wo khareed dete. I ask myself, what does this person really want? That's what my gift is going to be to this person. So they feel like, oh my gosh, she's so alert, she's so attentive, she's always go out of her comfort zone to make me feel happy, and I'm not doing that. So they feel guilty, and that's how they feel like, yeah, maybe you deserve better. And none of my heartbreaks have been like very bad ones, like jhagda or fight. They've always been mature, that this is not working out, this is not working out.